In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink toner in your Brother MFC-L2710dw printer. So go to the printer control panel, switch on the printer and click on the menu. On the next screen, click on the general setup, press OK. Scroll down until you see the replace toner, press OK. Open this section and then open the front. Take the ink toner out. Take your new ink toner and remove the plastic packaging. Make sure you face the chip down on this side and slide the ink toner here. Let it go until the end. Once it's locked, you can close this section. Now close this window and then you are ready to use this printer. So this way we can replace the ink cartridge. Thanks for watching.